Yeah, buddy. People are cheering out. They're going, what the hell are these guys doing? Look at that. Bev, wave to the camera. All right, it's kind of a hill. You can do it, babe. That was a hell of a hill. Come on, babe. Yeah, that's Vine. That's Vine.
Get on this side.
Right here.
Hi, Diana, babe. This is Diana. Hi. What's up, 4130?
Vine. Get that? Vine. Look, Mom! No hands!
Hey, Dave! Dave, and they think they're rich. Woohoo!
Go, 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 go! Woo! We know BMX right over here. Oh, we're like just mobbing the streets right now like crazy. Oh! Coming through! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, well, I don't see the yellow shirt. Where's the yellow shirt at? There it is. BMX ride, Hollywood. You got it. You'll be fine. Yeah, look at them all. Woo! Right there. Look at all those motherfuckers. Ah! What? At the next block, we're all taking our clothes off. We're going all the way down Vine from the freeway, like through the streets, like fucking on the streets. Look, the lights are yellow. Watch, everybody just keeps going. All right. Yeah. Hey. Pothole. Pothole.
People eyes, man.
Oh,
shit. Are they even open?
Dude, this is a grip of people, dude.
That little kid's in trouble. Little kid?
He's crying?
Yeah, that was in trouble.
Huh?
That's the last ride for him.
Huh? He's traumatized.
He has no preparation.
Oh, there he is. Here we go.
Dude, this is crazy. See behind me? Good. Pothole!
Hey, babe.
Hi,
Hi,
babe.
baby. Love
Ciao!
you. 21:30.
Look, I'm gonna hit the Melrose sign. Vaya. Yeah. This is over where Korean barbecue is. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking expensive ass fucking Korean barbecue, dude. $200 later. We said grew up there that night, remember?
Korean barbecue?
Yeah.
Did we?
That was that gourmet shit after we got your tires.
Oh, yeah. Were we the last ones?